So finally we reached here, and after reaching there was a fight with some local people, some drunk people. Good morning internet, it is around 8:42 in the morning, and today we are again back with another new travel vlog. So today Chirojit, Sijit and one of our school friend will be joining us soon. So today we'll be traveling to the Grand Canyon of West Bengal. This is going to be my third or fourth time to there, but for them this is their first time. So that place is quite magnificent. The Grand Canyon, we think of is of the USA, but in West Bengal, the Grand Canyon, Gongoni, the place is known as Gongoni near Kharagpur, few kilometers from Kharagpur in the Paschim Medinipur district of West Bengal. So I have also put a video before of this place. Today we'll be going traveling by car. So let's see how it goes. So welcome back to our channel, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like this video. So we are running quite late. We were supposed to leave by 6:30, but we overslept. Because not overslept, we went to sleep at 4 a.m. So we were overslept for 2 hours. So that's why we're running late. So now let's be concentrate on our driving and you enjoy the scenic view of the road trip. Till then, stay tuned.
तेरा तू तू मैं और तू तू मैं और तू किसने बनाया दस्तूर ऐसा जीना सिखाया मजबूर जैसा
Finally, we touched the highway now. So after a long time, last we went to Gorchumok in this NH16 highway. So currently we are just before the Kona Expressway connector, and the traffic jam in the highway is quite much since it's quite late. Around 9:30, the truck jam is the main problem now. So after Kolaghat, we hope that the roads will be slightly cleared compared to now. And so far so good.
ऐसी लगन बांधे हुए हूँ मैं खड़ा अब वहाँ जिस छोर पे था छूटा
For the past few minutes, we have been stuck in a bad traffic jam, and now it has started raining also. Hopefully, the rain stops before reaching our destination, or else it will be a total wastage because that place we are going is full of clay mitti, and that may affect us as well. So, hope fingers crossed that the rain stops. We have just taken a brunch break over here at Azadin Dawa just before Kolaghat. So we'll be having kind of a brunch, roti and paneer, had a chai. So the car is parked there. Now after having our brunch, we'll be going straight non-stop to Gongoni. It will take nearly around 2.5 hours to 3 hours from here, 142 kilometers a day. So after this, having our brunch, we will leave from here. Now we have left from Azadin Dhaba and it is around 11:25 now. It would take roughly around 2 hours 45 minutes from here to reach our destination for today, Gongoni. So in between this are the same highway that connects to Kharagpur, Chennai, Bombay and all. So enjoy the highway scenic view, and I will meet you after crossing Kharagpur. You can see the dark clouds over there over our head. It is looking like it is going to rain heavily after a few kilometers. You can see some few drops on the windshield also.
सफर कैसा है ये सफर मंजिलों
So now we are quite near to Kharagpur. Nearly we'll be entering Kharagpur now, and before Kharagpur you have to take a right turn towards Gongoni. So we are running super late today. This is the first time in my life that it took so much time to reach Kharagpur. Hardly we reached in around 2.5 hours. 125 kilometers from my home is the distance of Kharagpur. So this time it took 4 hours to reach here. Nothing can be done. The road was quite congested also in the highway. So this is just update till now.
मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर सफर
So now we have taken a right turn from Kharagpur and now the whole road will be single lane road, and that's why the average speed would vastly decrease. And as usual here also there is lot of traffic jam like this the main highway in NH16. So it's a 2-lane road. I won't vlog much because I have to also drive.
पैरों को बांधे बेड़िया बताए सा कहानियां तो रोशनी तू रंग है तू उड़ रही
So we are few minutes away from our final destination, the Gongoni Canyon viewpoint. So here are the forest areas. In some patches these roads are quite scenic to be in, and since it's monsoon time the forest is totally green. If you come in winter or dry season it would be totally red colored. The leaves would be dried up and it would be a different scene as you are seeing now.
हर घड़ी हर पहर सफर कैसा है ये सफर मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर सफर कैसा है ये सफर मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर सफर
So finally we reached here, and after reaching there was a fight with some local people. Some drunk people were, the roads were narrow, you saw in between there's a car was parked, and some drunk people were actually, you know what they were doing. So there was a light feather touch on the mud flap of our car with their car. They again followed us till this point, and they told that due to us the car has damaged. They asked for some 800 rupees, so we settled with 500 because they are locals, and mainly the main point, they were drunk, so we don't want to quarrel with them, so that's why we gave. So mood ka tastiness ho gaya, so now let's refresh ourselves and get down over there. There's a small water land over there, so after that we'll continue. So behind that is the canyon type lands, and there's a river flowing, so we are planning to go there and have a look of this place. So here are the canyons all over here. You can see the shapes, just feel like USA, Sasta USA in West Bengal. And there is the river flowing over there. Since it's monsoon, that's why you can see the water over there, or else if you come in a dry season it would be totally dry.
बहकी सभी जुबां है हम हैं हजारों में अब की कमी जरा है हर चीज खास है अब है जो है वो समा है तुम रह सकी तो रबा है अब है जो है वो समा है तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है।
Tremendously hot and humid today. The sun is scorching just over our head. It is around 2:26 and the heat is too much. But there are some clouds. Hope these clouds block the sun from us.
चीज राज है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है। अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत।
Now we'll be going towards the river side over there. And this was all from this canyon structure shapes. And while we are clicking photos, we had some weird sound of water flow, but at last we found that was a swarm of bees which was going to attack. So we ran away from that place. What an adventure we are doing. And me, Chirojit had one fall. My fall was totally bouncy fall. So let's see. It's quite risky to get down because it is full of gravels beneath us. So it's quite risky. So while coming, you have to be very careful.
ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिपे छिपाए, हम बनाए।
So this is the riverside area.
हम न पाए। ऐसी जीत ना छिप छिपाए।
Now it's time to say goodbye to this place. It's quite hot today. We are totally exhausted. Now we'll be leaving this place and we'll be directly heading towards Kolkata. In between we may stop. So hope you all like this video. And if you like this video for whatsoever reason, please give the video a like. And stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs. For that you have to subscribe to your channel.